Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. Before we jump into this video, I'd like to thank today's sponsor, Buydeem, for sponsoring today's video. You guys, I'm doing an unboxing of the electric food steamer. This is a 5-quart steamer and it's going to be very integral in the next few months into the year for myself and for Alana. We are really trying to get on a very healthy lifestyle here. We both have issues and things that we're working on. I'm still working to lower my blood pressure. And actually this year I had some issues with my cholesterol. Last year I didn't have any issues with cholesterol, but out of nowhere, my cholesterol went back up again. So I'm working on changing some of the things and changing how I cook. Many years ago, I stopped frying, like deep fat frying foods. And now I thought we would give this steaming food a try, right? Let's see if this will help us in the long run with our health goals. And so I'm excited to be doing an unboxing. So this comes in a cozy greenish color and it's very small and petite. It's 5 quarts. But it is so cute, you guys. You're gonna really love this. This is gonna help us, and it fits on my countertop so well because I have a thing about things on my countertop. But this doesn't take up any room at all, and I really do love this one. So let's jump in and talk about what comes in this particular box. Alrighty, you guys. So again, this is very compact. It's a standard A4 size. But what you have is the bottom of the steamer that has a 5-liter water reservoir. There's an auto shut-off feature if the steamer runs out of water. You also have one stainless steel large steamer tray. And then you also have a ceramic glass dish where you can put different things like fish. I used it to steam some shrimp. And that is where I put my shrimp, was on the ceramic tray. And this is where you have, it'll show you how much water you have in the reservoir. You have a minimum level of water that needs to go in and then a maximum level. So the only thing that you use in this or with the steamer is water. And it is electric. It does plug in. And where I'm holding those handles is where you would put the water in. It has a digital dial where you can see digital controls. Is very easy to use. It also has on the right hand side suggested cook times. I did broccoli, I think was on like 8 minutes, and I did shrimp on 10 minutes. So it worked out real well. But this is where you would put your water in at the bottom, and then that ring that you see in the middle is covering up where the heating element is. And then you put these 2 pieces on top because you want to make sure that your food is not in the water specific, but that it is benefiting from the steam. So this is where I'm pulling out the ceramic tray. You can put salmon on here. You can put shrimp on here. You can put very tender vegetables or things you don't want to maybe slip through the holes of the steamer tray. But those holes are very small, just enough to allow the water to come through or the steam to come through. And it also has a tempered glass top for the lid. So that's tempered glass on top of that. It comes with just one plug. So this is very easy to pour. It's portable. So if you're going to something like an Airbnb and you're still trying to maintain healthy eating, you can carry this. It is probably not even the size of, this is just for references, it's not even the size of a very small dog carrier. It is smaller than that. So it's very portable. And I really like being able to get my water in, didn't take anything. And then I was trying to make sure that I was at least my minimum level of water. And once I've gotten that in, like I said, on the right hand side, it does give you suggested cook times, your minimum level of water, your maximum level, and then suggested cook times. We were having Saturday suppers on this day, so we're steaming broccoli. One of my friends, Kathy, loves broccoli. The kids and I love broccoli. The one thing that I did notice, you guys, now listen, let me just tell you, when we cooked the broccoli in this steamer, my house did not smell like broccoli. When we put it in the microwave, it always smells like broccoli. And the one thing that this really did, when you steam the broccoli, it doesn't leave your broccoli soggy. It does maintain all of its nutritional value. It is a simple twist to do your time and then a push start. And it just had such most beautiful color left to this broccoli once it was steamed. You see the steam coming off there. So this worked out real well for us. I really appreciated using this particular machine. And again, like I said, it helps us reduce our fat intake. It helps us reduce the amount of calories we're getting in, and we're getting all of our nutritional value from our vegetables. So this was amazing. I think we used it a couple times, not on this particular night, but we used it again. And then another night, because I was trying to definitely watch what it was that I was eating, I was doing some shrimp. So I was making sure that I got all of my water in, and now I'm just putting my tray back on because I want to make sure that I'm steaming my shrimp. Now, all of your plastic is BPA free, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. But I just simply peeled my shrimp. They were already deveined. I just seasoned them with a little garlic, salt, chili powder. Then I put them on my ceramic tray, went in the steamer for 10 minutes, and that was it. Once I was done, I was able to pull these out and have a yummy treat for myself. This I just made for me, and it was very delish. Actually, Jackson helped me finish these off, but you know, a growing 14-year-old boy must eat things. And so this was able to pull off any moisture from those shrimp, and it cooked it so very well. Not in any grease at all. That's just water from the shrimp and from the steam. So there that is. I do want to thank Buydeem for sending me this. There'll be a link to this product in the description box if anybody is interested in getting healthy, doing more healthy cooking, more healthy eating for your new lifestyle. Thank you again so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys the next time. Bye now.